Alright, I'm back, everyone, for the next chapter. The previous chapter was quite crazy. I just been so jumpy. And because I was so hungry. It's pretty normal to feel jumpy. When you have hunger and stuff. It's kind of I thought that was behind the scenes fun fact of the actors in the Blair Witch Project. Like they have those students to be hungry to make them more scared for recording. Like I gotta say, I think that's quite a ways. And how really creeped out they really are in the movie. So anyway, last time I trapped Slappy in the book, and I gotta find a way to turn R.L. Stein back to normal. I wonder if there's a way. What?
You think this book
No!
can hold me?
No way! How the hell is that possible?
In your stories.
How can he do that? He can't.
I'll be taking this. Thanks for the book, dummy.
Ugh.
You'll never guess what I'm going to do with it next.
You'll destroy it just like you
Better
did
not
in the
go in there,
first
Twist.
Goosebumps.
Dr. Brewer has gone mad.
I have to.
I don't know
I
why
have to
I
go
wrote
after
that
him
story.
before it's too late.
It was a temporary lapse in judgment. I'm not going in there. You're on your own. Good luck.
I'm gonna have to come back for you later. I think... Let's see, Dr. Brewer, you said. Oh, looks like this next chapter is like stay out of the basement. Yeah, I thought I remember reading that book. How scientist was quite crazy with plants.
Let's take a moment to stop and smell the flowers,
What?
Twist.
No,
Come a little
no,
closer.
no,
I'll be
no.
making a nice spot for you
No.
in my garden.
No.
Next to the lawn gnomes.
What did I just breathe in? Oh, crap.
Listen,
Turns
I'm
out-
Dr. Brewer.
What? Who's there?
Over here. Hello? Hello?
Yes?
Listen, I'm Dr. Brewer.
Dr.
We have both
Brewer?
been poisoned and are mutating at an alarming rate. Find a microscope. If I can see how the poison is affecting you, I may be able to devise a cure.
I don't know if I could trust you. R.L. Stein said that you've gone mad. I'd rather have poison ivy to help me make the antidote. I can't believe that stupid dummy have poisoned me. I'm gonna kill him. When I find him, I'm gonna kill him and take his head.
The plant cells are very active in your case. They're quickly taking over.
Oh, this must be the bad case. A rather bad case. Get me out of there. It's disgusting. Ooh, blood sample. Did I prick myself? To put it under this microscope? Ugh.
I
Gross.
understand what the poison is now. I will
How?
use this blood
How
sample
can you
and 3
see?
additional ingredients to make an antidote. Take the bridge to the center of the pond. Now hurry.
How can you see? I mean, you're not close to me. Huh? The projector?
Here you go, dear. Enjoy.
This looks awful. I can't eat that.
Ugh.
I made it especially
The
for
plant
you.
food.
It'll make you stronger,
Looks
better.
gross.
I only want what's best for you.
Okay, Daddy. I'll try it.
I wouldn't eat that if I were you. Hope she didn't eat it. Like she didn't. I hope she didn't eat it. Like in the
Looks like
book.
the bridge is broken.
She and her brother
These lily pads
didn't
won't
eat the
get
plant
across the
food.
pond.
They threw them in the trash. While Dr. Brewer's back's been turned. Someone at the front door. What fish? Leaping out of the water? This better not
Surely
be
you
the
can find
piranha.
something we need in the west part of the conservatory.
I think it's piranhas. Just,
Careful. Some of those lily pads aren't very stable.
yeah. That's no doubt that those fish in the water are piranhas. You must be crazy to keep those kind of fishes in your conservatory or one giant greenhouse. Okay. What's going on with me? Am I feeling tired?
You seem weak. Try this food. It will make you better.
What food? Ugh, this stuff? It looks like crap. It looks like mud. Oof. I'd rather have salad. I'd rather eat salad than eating plant food. I mean, do I really have to? I can't get off of this chair. I guess there's no other options. I hope I don't regret eating that.
Excellent. You look much stronger. Try moving some of the crates behind you to clear a path.
At least I'm okay. And I can even push the crates now. I wonder if, I wonder if that, kind of goes to show, like you gotta eat your greens, for, good, vitamins and minerals, fiber or something. Eat your greens, kids. I have to admit that I'm not really the fan of vegetables. There's just certain veggies that I'm okay with, like corn, salad, with the ranch dressing, with shreds of Mexican cheese, and green beans, and the carrots. I dipped them in the peanut butter before. So there are bees here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to push that crate and keep those bees distracted so I can push that out of the way. I'm terrified of bees. Believe me. They're horrible. I mean, I know they're needed for the ecosystem, with all the pollination and nectar, but I don't like bees. I hate them. I'm sorry, Barry. I know they're needed for ecosystem, as I learned from the bee movie, but I have a feeling they're abominations. One time, while I was at Dad's, and after I stepped out of Dad's house, I was carrying my Wii U in my backpack, and that horrible bee just buzzed up in front of me and made me fall backwards, and as a result, I landed on my Wii U and broke it. This damn bee broke my Wii U. Seriously. They're abominations. Thanks to them, I'm gonna have to spend money to send it somewhere for repairs. Thanks a lot, bees. Stay out of my sight if you know what's good for you. Okay, those 4 colored plants. And on those scales, it's gotta be some kind of combination. Blue goes after red, magenta goes before red, and yellow goes first. So yellow goes on the first scale. Let's see, magenta goes before red, and blue goes after red. I see. Okay, let's see. This goes first, and magenta on the second, and instead blue goes after red, and magenta goes before red. So this has got to be it. Oh yeah, baby! Thank God for notes. For clues. I gotta say, it's quite an interesting conservatory or greenhouse.
Yes, those flowers. That's a Bellis perennis.
This?
It'll work perfectly as an ingredient.
Okay. Looks pretty.
Ah!
What?
Who are
What
you?
the?
Get out! Get out!
What? Oh.
I'm
What was
sorry you
that?
didn't see that. I couldn't cure her.
Oh, that was
Margaret is
Margaret.
beyond my help.
Oh,
Head back to the center of the pond. I think I know where to find the next ingredient.
my God. I don't want to end up like her. If I don't find a cure soon, I don't want to end up like her. Looks so creepy. Okay, still gotta be careful on those lily pads. Here we go, woo! Okay, which way?
Take this path to the next ingredient.
Is that the east? Yeah, according to the compass. On the gazebo. Is that what it's called? Yeah, I think that's what it's called.
I
What?
thought I told you to get out.
I can't. I gotta make an antidote.
A few of the lily pads. Don't stand on them too long.
Oh no. Venus flytraps? Really? I don't like these carnivorous plants. I mean, they're huge. I remember watching that that clip of how they digest. The skunk, that's disgusting. Oh God, my skin is looking greener.
Better find a sunny spot to set up roots. You should have listened to me when you had the chance.
I'm not gonna set my roots.
Why would you trust him?
Well, because he's the only one who knows the cure. And I gotta go after Slappy before he takes over the world. I gotta stop him
I need you to
from
get some of
destroying
the
the
bees,
book
honey. I left a
and taking
sample
over
in
the
the back of
world.
the nursery.
I see what your plan is now, Brewer.
As I was saying, it is guarded by some very hungry fly traps. If you can feed them somehow, they'll go dormant.
Like throw something at those fly traps in the that will attract the bees and they could do something? Come here, bees! Woohoo! Come on. Go away. Even though those bees may become in use, but I still hate bees. They make me break my Wii U. Just don't you dare come close to me. Thank God that I never got stung by bees in my life. Never ever. But I know I'm sure that it's going to be painful. Ugh. I'd rather not think about it. I remember there's a shortcut, through this, but, I'm gonna try this normal. Okay, can I get to the exit? Or the back of it? Ooh, bingo! Honeycomb! Me want honeycomb!
Want to know why I like plants?
Yeah, why?
They're strong. They adapt. Plants can grow anywhere from arid deserts to snowy tundras. They're survivors.
Yeah,
When I
kind
breed
of like
plants,
us,
I
huh?
combine their best qualities. They become more resilient, more fruitful, more capable. Many plants can be used to help grow and heal humanity and even cure deadly diseases.
You know, I think that's
More
true, like
soundly at night,
herbs
knowing that
and
our children
aloe
and loved
vera.
ones are safe. This is what I strive to accomplish with my research. To create a more resilient, fruitful, and capable humanity.
I guess, that's probably why. I mean, I'm no botanist, but, I thought, I remember those times that, like, from the other video games, that how you use, certain plants to restore your health, like in Resident Evil series, you pick up herbs and that restores your health. Anyway, this is the shortcut. You just have to climb up to and walk over this branch, and you have to make sure you, jump down to the correct, that exit to the back of the nursery. That way you don't have to worry about throwing those flowers at the fly traps and now you don't have to worry about bees, but okay, time to get back to Gazebo. I could have sworn that there was a shortcut back to the gazebo, but I guess it doesn't look like it. I guess it must have been my imagination or something. You know those, three, thorn-like stuff on each side? It's kind of like a trigger mechanism for the, fly traps to close their mouths, and when some insect is stupid enough to get into the mouth and get eaten.
This new path will lead you to my laboratory.
Okay. I wonder if it's still painful when... I mean, the small Venus flytraps, I wonder if it's still painful to be bitten by it. I hate this, I hate this, I don't like this, I don't like this. I made it. What? What's this? Oh god. I've got leaves all over my arms and hands. They must be getting worse.
Hello. Nice to finally meet you in person.
Personal space, please. Social
Wanted to get a
distance.
closer look at you to see how the poison was progressing.
You're a freak.
You're getting worse.
No shit, Margaret.
The last
Sorry.
ingredient is an activated
Sorry,
spore
everyone.
pod. You can find one in the back of the lab. Be careful. The vines will try to grab you.
He's such a freak. In extreme mode, these vines were really fast. And you have to time your, running, through them correctly, carefully. Alright, stop, go, and all that. Spore pod? That must be the
Great
last
work.
ingredient.
You have the final ingredient now. Use the chemistry station next to me to make the cure.
Okay, must be the shortcut.
Wait. You should have a look through my father's research first.
Should I? I guess it wouldn't hurt. I forgot what they call that, that kind of plant. That I remember from Animal Crossing, when you don't, have a lot of greenery in town and when there's trash everywhere and stuff. And they must have stink, as I remember seeing flies, on those stuff when I found one, on my town once, from one of the old Animal Crossing games. Okay, so this research document.
My real father was a scientist. He was working on this mixture when he disappeared.
Real father, and worked on this cure when before he disappeared. Oh, now I remember. That Dr. Brewer has got to be a clone. I thought I remember in the book, that this lookalike was this clone, Dr. Brewer's clone. Looks exactly like him, but has leaves on his hair and green blood. That explains to see who's the real Dr. Brewer. This corkboard. Plant's DNA and human DNA crossover. And those notes. Hey, that picture. Is that, what I think it is? Wait a minute. Oh, yeah! I totally remember. Those pictures are from the Goosebumps TV show of that Stay Out of the Basement episode. I totally remember those screenshots. awesome Easter eggs, programmers. Wow. Yeah, even I thought this photo looks familiar too from the show. God. I guess the Goosebumps fans might have gone crazy when they figured that, when they found those Easter eggs or references, whichever you rather call them. I wonder why Margaret ended up as a plant. She didn't become a plant in the book. I mean, that plant food must have turned her into plant like that, but she didn't in the book. I mean, she and her brother found out their real dad and their clone struggling to tell apart. Well, you guys gonna have to read the book for yourselves. I'm not gonna spoil. Okay, so on to chemistry. Oh, there are two papers. Brewer's formula and Margaret's formula. Huh? What is that? What does it say on the top? Don't believe his lies? Oh, no doubt about it. That Dr. Brewer, that's his clone. So it can't be the real Dr. Brewer. It's 10 yellow and 20 green, blues, and pinks. I'll go with Margaret's. It's quite awesome to have some kind of motion sensing to experience the pouring. I gotta say, this totally reminds me of one of the chapters in Paper Mario: The Thousand Year Door. After I got the 6th crystal star, Peach has to make a potion to make herself invisible in order to get into the main antagonist, Grotus, his office, and put the data into network for her computer friend to see Grotus's master plans. And that took a while. I mean, until after the 7th crystal star that we know what his plans were. I think I accidentally put too much in them. And that chapter of Peach doing chemistry like that, it's quite an interesting chapter. I remember struggling a few times to make sure the potion is right, but I just have to read the scientist notes and make sure that I put the color of potions in the right order. And in time, 30 seconds of heating, and I have to make sure the potion is green. That's the right color, meaning that the potion is right. When it's gray, that wasn't right. It makes you big. The wrong potion makes you big or small. But the green one, did make you invisible. So, quite a fun chapter. Now the purple potion. I hope this works. Here goes nothing. Bottoms up. Ugh. Ooh, it worked! I'm back to normal. I'm not gonna be like him or Margaret. Whoa, he's getting large.
How dare you undo all my work?
Now what?
Quick! Throw the cure on Brewer!
Come on. Grab it. Come on, grab it. Enough with this temper tantrum.
What have you done?
That takes care of that clone.
I know how to cure the poison now. You need to catch that doll that let Brewer out. Now for the last time, get out of here.
Okay, I'm going. But I must thank you for helping me, and you prevented me from making that wrong formula. If it were, I guess if it weren't for you, I would have ended up like him or you. Thanks, Margaret. I wish I could help you get back to normal, but I don't. It's probably too late or something. But thank you. Okay, I'm gonna end this chapter right here, and okay, the last chapter would be the last one. So I'll end this right here. So see you next time for the final battle. Bye-bye.